Topic: 3 best investments for beginners in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Investive, the place where we make money and investing simple for everyone. If you're a beginner and you want to start investing in 2025, but don't know where to begin, then this video is just for you. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share the 3 best investment options that are safe, simple, and effective. Right now, there are so many options out there. Stocks, crypto, gold, mutual funds. And most beginners get confused. The biggest mistake people make is either doing nothing or jumping into risky investments without knowledge. So, today, let's clear the confusion once and for all. 1. Mutual funds with SIP. First up, mutual funds through SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. This is the easiest and safest way to begin. Even if you start with just $10 or $500 a month, over time, your money grows because of compounding. Perfect for beginners with zero knowledge of stock picking. 2. Index funds. ETFs. Second, index funds, or Instead of choosing individual stocks, you invest in a basket of top companies like Nifty 50 or S&P 500. This means lower risk, diversification, and better long-term growth. It's like owning a piece of the entire market. 3. Digital gold or sovereign gold bonds, and finally gold. But not physical gold. That comes with storage issues. Instead, invest in digital gold, or sovereign gold bonds. Gold is a safe hedge against inflation and gives stability to your portfolio. So to sum it up, the 3 best investments for beginners in 2025 are mutual funds with SIP index funds, ETFs, digital gold or gold bonds. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do its magic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are just starting their investment journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Investive for more easy-to-understand finance and investing videos. See you in the next one.